Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to merge and combine videos on an iPhone. It's a very simple tutorial and you can do it with an app you already have on your iPhone. So if you appreciate that, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have iMovie. If you don't, just go in the App Store, type in iMovie and install it. I did it because I uninstalled it at the beginning when I got my iPhone because it took a few gigabytes. So what you want to do is actually go on iMovie and create a new project by clicking the plus side icon. Then click on Movie, and now all you gotta do is select two clips, just like this and this one. When you click Create Movie, it will actually combine them just like this. And all you gotta do when you're ready, you can edit them. I have a lot of it on my channel on how to do that. You want to click on Done, click on the share icon, and click on Save Video. This is all you gotta do. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.